So we're exiting Macedonia now, and then after that we'll be entering Albania, hopefully.
Okay, we're pulling up to the border crossing right now.
No filming allowed there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna throw away my camera because you never know in these countries.
Be careful.
Yeah, okay, here we go. We made it through Albania. The potholes begin because this whole area on the other side of Lake Ohrid of Macedonia is still under quite a, how we say, revitalization. So it was quite a popular area for holidays during the communism time, but since then it has been kind of left in a more of disarray. So there's going to be a lot of construction, a lot of repairs, but we're really curious what this air side of Albania is going to be like. But as we went through, I thought we were going to get passport stamps, but we didn't get any passport stamps. Especially since Albania isn't in the EU, and I got passport stamp for Macedonia. So I'm not sure, hopefully it won't be any issue when we leave the country. We just got off outside the side of the highway, literally, because the view is fantastic here. Even from in the car, we're like, ooh, it looks so beautiful. But here, we really truly see how high we are up from this side of the country compared to the Macedonian side. And then it gives us a much different breadth of perspective from the lake. Truly, look at this.
So that is Macedonia. Now where are we going now?
To Macedonia, no?
No. First going to Albania.
Yes. Yeah, we're continuing through Albania. But then eventually we're going to loop back out of in Macedonia. What?
I was like, that is Macedonia. Now where are we going? Macedonia, no.
So we're heading that direction. Oh, because it goes down here.
Trying to teach you some basic navigation skills.
I never had orienteering class.
Are you orientated enough?
As Jeroen frantically applying sunscreen. Alright, so the drive here from the border was just absolutely phenomenal, and it just goes to show that I had my own biases before coming into Albania even, and thinking that the road was going to be like potholes, but it was just absolutely smooth all over. And then arriving to Plovdiv, the city that we are in right now, yes, it's not as glitzy as Ohrid, but the thing is that it reminds me of an old starlet, like an old Hollywood starlet there's still a shimmer of her glamour left over from her younger Hollywood days. And then we're on this wonderful boardwalk. But hey, no, I have a lot. And this boardwalk is just so wonderful because you can see the beach and the mountains in the background as well. And the thing with Albania, especially here, is that there's not that many, well actually we are the only travelers around, so we still get like looks from locals that are like being very curious of who are those people, where did they come from, which I really enjoy because it's not a touristy place at all. And again, the mountains. Alright, so now it's lunchtime. We just had to dive into some Albanian dishes, but also some really cool dishes. So we are at Rosa Etimer, which is just on the boardwalk, or right by the boardwalk. As you can see, the lake is right there. It's a lovely, beautiful day. And here we have one of their signature dishes, their smoked duck. You know, I love duck. And we have pekka, which is this type of pappardelle type of pasta. It's homemade, handmade as well. I'm gonna try a little bit of this right now. It's so tender and quite juicy for duck. I'm really happy. So this is a casserole, an Albanian casserole dish. And so that what you're looking at is lamb. So that lamb meat is mixing with yogurt, rice, egg, and lemon. It's hot?
Very surprising. Not something that I've ever had before.
Really?
Yeah, you can taste the yogurt quite clearly, but the meat is very nice too.
And wonderful baklava finish the meal. Oh, I got a stamp going out, but look. So this is the stamp.
Allowed to film.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because we're entering the Macedonian border now. But look. Yeah, okay, I'll show you. I got a stamp on my last page, and what does it say? Do not stamp this page. I guess I got what I wanted. We are here at Heraclea Lyncestis, which is one of the most impressive excavation sites in this part of Europe. Heraclea Lyncestis is an ancient town right here, founded by Philip II of Macedon during the middle of the 4th century BC. It's currently one of the most visited attractions of Macedonia. It's unreal how all this is the remains from 4th century BC. And on top of that, you can really picture what it was like in the Hellenistic period. How this is all a city itself. And the commerce, the warfare that went on here, and just the life of the people. Could he be Greek?
Yeah, it's wrong. I'm the people.
Yes. This here, can you guess what it is?
A theater.
Yes, a theater. So the cool thing about this ancient city was that it was built by the Greeks in Macedon in the 4th century, but then it was taken over by the Romans.
4th century BC.
This is Peshna Cave, as you can see, is literally a huge hole. But also what's cool is that there used to be a fortress right here, where Jeroen is walking up. It's right on the outer edge of the cave, technically inside the cave.
The weird thing is that you still hear echoes.
Yeah. Should we do the cave test?
What is the cave test?
I'm gonna shout.
You have a funny English sentence to shout?
Oh, I was just gonna scream, but or should we shout?
Well, I think in Dutch there's a sentence you use.
What sentence?
That you shout into these type of things. It's I'm not entirely sure, but it's something like wie is de bende van Wezel?
That's so hard for me to shout. Weasel?
Wie is de bende van Wezel? And then if you echoes, you hear ezel, 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 and that's donkey.
Donkey?
Donkey. So you say something about like who's the, I don't know, bandit of weasel, and then it's like donkey, donkey, donkey.
The Dutch are weird.
Something like that.
I'm just gonna say Vezel, that's it. Vezel! Oof. It's a good acoustic thing here.
You woke up
That?
a bat, yeah.
A bat. What a view. Yet you can really see it was much more of a castle or fortress. Oh wait, if you look up right above you, there's cave drawings in front of you. Rune is trying to figure out where does this bridge lead. Like, is it in Harry Potter, where you have to tap certain stones and then it'll unveil?
Leads to nowhere.
Oh. This is the little chapel church that's just right outside of Peshna Caves.